What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market and whether or not Shiba Inu will be going to 1 cent in 2022. Now, remember, I'd like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, and of course, Shiba Inu is one of those plays. Now, currently sitting at 3496, 34,090, 960 Satoshi units. The overall market looked like it was getting ready to recover after the sell-off yesterday and the day before, but unfortunately it looks like we continue to trend downwards. But we're finding potentially a support line that we're unsure of. But regardless, I always say, when they panic, we pounce. This might be a really good buying opportunity because we fell below the 1 month support line, which was right around 3,700 Satoshis. And if we look at the 3 month, of course, excluding that here, we were holding steady above 2,900. So I'm hopeful that we won't be going back to those support lines. But if we do, we know that that might be a very, very, very strong buying opportunity. Before I dive into the article that I want to talk about today, I want to mention the link in the description below for Moomoo. Make sure you get your 5 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Moomoo account. I think if you deposit an additional 2,000, that's when you get your fourth and fifth stock, But make sure you take advantage, guys. $17,500 could be yours. And there's also a link down there for the Discord. Today we do our DD call, introducing hopefully some new tokens that we will potentially invest in. So make sure you guys check out those links. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The Motley Fool, one of the biggest retail investor article hubs that people like to go to get information. I should say an information hub. It says here, could Shiba Inu hit $1 in 2022, published on the 3rd of December. Following a $65.2 million percent gain in 2021, Shib only needs to see a 2.1 additional increase to hit $1. So again, they go in and talk about all the different things from the positivity, the fact that cryptocurrency yet again in 2021 outpaced the stock market in terms of gains, and then how Shiba Inu turned $2 into $1 million. You heard that right. $2 into $1 million between, again, last year and near its all-time high here this year in 2021. It says here, no shortage of catalysts. Shiba Inu's valuation into the stratosphere, because again, we've had a lot of things to begin. The fear of missing out was a critical part of pushing Shib higher. Watching Bitcoin gain 8 million percent. Actually, no, that's 8 billion percent in 11 years. It's been easy for the Shiba Inu community to utilize social media as a medium to create buzz and hype around their token. Aside from that, again, starting off as a meme, just like anything else, like Bitcoin and Ethereum were once memes, right? Thoughts that no way could this have any utility in the near future. It has graduated. It graduated after SHIBASWAP came out, after, again, the Shiboshis dropped, after they partnered with one of the biggest game developers in the world, William Volk, right? So the fact is Shiba Inu is introducing a whole lot of new utilities coming into this ecosystem, which has continued to extend the excitement within the community and new retail investors coming in, as well as institutions hopefully following shortly. So again, guys, aside from that, of course, we landed one of our biggest gigs, right, with the AMC Entertainment CEO Adam Aron posting the Twitter poll and then getting an 87% acceptance rate or respondent rate saying, yes, we want Shib listed. And then he followed that by saying, in 2022, we will be using Shib as a form of payment for our AMC movie theater products as well as tickets for the movies. In addition, of course, we had Elon doing some tweets here and there that affected our price action. But regardless, going into 2022, we have a lot of things to look up to. The Shiboshi game releasing in 2022. Shibarium releasing hopefully end of month or beginning of 2022. We have so many other things. Shi, the stable token that will be joining our ecosystem. As mass adoption becomes, again, viable across all crypto assets and more people are accepting of the fact that crypto is here to stay, we will start to see some players outpace others. And I believe that Shiba Inu is one of those. Because again, it is a token of the people. It's a community-driven asset, which makes it so much different than any of the other ones that are potentially around the market. So honestly, all in all, I want to say that I do believe that Shib could potentially hit 1 cent. The whole $1 thing in 2022, never say never. If it performs as well as it did in between 2020 and 2021, anything is possible. Anything is possible when it comes to community-driven assets, and never underestimate the level and power of social media. They go in and then they give their thesis on why there is no way. They basically say there's literally no way for Shib to go to $1 because of some certain things, including GDP, price action. But remember, people said that SHIB will never go to 100 million. People said that SHIB will never go to 1 billion, 10 billion. Exceeding expectations is part of this ecosystem and part of this community. That's what we do well. We do it, and we do it very, very well. So again, to the diamond hands, always, always, always make sure you continue to do your research on any token that I mention or anybody else mentions, and always play safe in this space, because again, it's all very speculative. Even Bitcoin and Ethereum, believe it or not, are still speculative compared to some other things. But if you understand and comprehend blockchain technology, you will know that it is potentially and actually definitely here to stay. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.